Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add your bank to your Coinbase account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Coinbase application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Coinbase, where you can see that you can go ahead and sign up for a new account or sign in to an existing one. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and log into your account that we want to use our bank account with. And after logging into Coinbase guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where you can see now at the bottom of the screen you can see all the options that you can access, such as you can see the home section, you can access your assets, you can see the trading, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to add our bank. So guys, all we have to do to be able to do this is to just go ahead and click the three lines in the upper left corner. So guys, here are the three lines that you can see right here in the upper left corner. Go ahead guys and click on that. So after clicking on the three lines guys, this is now going to go ahead and open up a new menu, and one of the options in this new menu guys is going to go ahead and be called to add a payment method. So guys, what you want to do is to go ahead and click to add a payment method. And after adding a payment method guys, after opening up the application, you can now go ahead and see that you can select which credit card you want to add, or maybe your bank account and so on. So just go ahead and fill out all the info regarding that and you'll be able to successfully add it, and it will automatically add it to your account and save it, and you'll be able to use it. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.